Okay.
I don't know, it's not tender enough.
Whatever. Cooked for over 10 hours.
Nah, I could smell it all night.
Is there in the middle of it?
It's a bit too big.
Got that okay?
Yeah. But that size is going to do. Bitterballen is Dutch appetizer, so I'm pretty sure you'd find these at Dutch bars. Seems like something I'd serve if I was a Dutch person when I was working in the kitchen industry.
He froze the balls for 30 minutes. And now he's farming them.
A little bit firmer. Yeah, easier to deal with. When I worked at the bar, there was a thing we had steak bites. It was just little small strips of steak and then breaded and fried just like you do anything else. Alright, so we need this.
I can hold this one right here if you want me to.
Then we'll need the tray closer. So one. So you're gonna do one dry hand, one wet hand.
You got the method to the madness.
Yep.
This closer. Okay, dry hand.
And then I need the tray.
I can't. You have to leave it on there, or hold it. Hold it. There you go.
Alright, so
how many of these you want to do before I turn
rinse
off
and
this
repeat.
thing?
We'll do 2 of these.
Okay.
There.
The pink will fill in it. I'm holding
Yeah.
it. You can hold it over the other tray if you want.
Okay.
Hold it, and I'll grab the tray.
Alright. Let's repeat with all the rest, and then we'll be back.
Okay.
And then another 3. So 3 on that at a time. Ew. Alright, so Dutch meatballs, courtesy of Jabby, saying try my what region of cuisine?
Yeah. What do you think?
Pretty good with that honey mustard. Slow cooked chuck, roast, gravy, breaded and deep fried. Just like the Dutch like.